Do you ever feel like you have big dreams but no energy to chase them? You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but somehow tomorrow never comes. You think of making a YouTube channel, getting in shape, or learning a new skill, yet instead you find yourself scrolling through your phone or binge watching TV. Why does this happen? It's not because you're destined to be lazy forever, it's because the tasks feel too overwhelming. When something seems too big, your brain instinctively looks for the easiest escape. But here's the good news. This is a habit you can break. What you call laziness isn't a reflection of who you are. It's simply a habit, and habits can be changed. Think about how often you felt paralyzed because the goal seemed impossible to reach. Maybe you wanted to learn a new language, but the thought of memorizing hundreds of words felt overwhelming. Or perhaps you dreamed of waking up early every day, but the idea of leaving your warm bed before sunrise felt unbearable. It's not that you lack ambition. It's that your brain is wired to chase comfort and avoid struggle. The good news? You can train your mind to work for you, not against you. Let me share 3 simple steps to help you start. The first step to beating procrastination is simple. Shrink the task. Big goals feel intimidating because we see them as one giant mountain to climb. But no one climbs a mountain in one leap. You do it step by step. So if you dream of writing a book, don't think about finishing 200 pages. Just write 1 sentence today. That's it. Small actions feel easier, and each one gives you a tiny win that builds momentum. The same goes for learning something new. If you want to master photography, don't start with complex lighting techniques. Begin by learning how to frame one good shot. Small victories add up faster than you think. Over time, those small actions add up to big changes. But there's another secret. Build simple routine. Willpower alone won't carry you very far. It fades quickly. Routines, on the other hand, make success automatic. For instance, if you want to start meditating, keep your mat ready in a quiet corner so it's the first thing you see in the morning. No decisions, no excuses. Routines are like training wheels. They make things easier until the habit sticks naturally. So ask yourself, what's one tiny routine you can set up today to make tomorrow effortless? It could be something as simple as writing a short to-do list each morning or drinking a glass of water the moment you wake up. These tiny habits give your day structure and slowly build momentum. Now comes step 3, the 2-minute rule. The hardest part of any task is simply starting. So tell yourself you'll only do it for 2 minutes. Just 2. Want to read a book? Read a single page? Need to clean your room? Tidy one corner. Once you start, the momentum takes over, just like a ball rolling downhill. The first push is tough, but after that, it moves on its own. Here's a bonus tip. Reward yourself for simply starting. After your 2 minutes are up, celebrate in a small way. Listen to your favorite song, take a short break, or enjoy a snack you like. Rewards make the experience feel good and encourage you to keep going. And here's the truth. Everyone you admire began small. They stumbled, they struggled, but they kept moving forward. Your dreams are like a tiny spark right now. Every small action you take is like adding fuel to that spark, slowly turning it into a roaring fire. So ask yourself, what small step will you take today to light that flame?